Did you know that you could use your private Facebook groups and your website even to teach the folks in your church how to use the church's tools? Well, we're going to show you how to use a really cool tool so that you can teach them how to use your tools. Check it out.
Now here's something we hope you'll really like.
One of the things that we run into a lot in church media and church, I guess church business in general, is that we have a lot of volunteers. We also have staff members that need to learn how to do something, but more importantly, we have a lot of volunteers that need to learn how to do something. And we've also got an entire congregation that needs to learn something. For example, at our church, we are going to be moving to a hosted, cloud-based version of our church management software. So our membership management, our giving management, all that sort of stuff, you as a member of our church will be able to log in and take a look at your tithe history. You'll be able to look at committees that you're assigned to or whatever, all that sort of stuff, right? But the deal is that everybody needs to learn how to do that. So one of the things you can do is you can create a little video, a little how-to video, a little screencast that shows here's how to log into our great church management software and manage your profile, okay? That's something that can be very, very helpful to somebody that is new to doing all this, especially. It's one thing if you are a person who is constantly online. It's second nature. A millennial, second nature, right? But an older person in the church may not get it. So being able to have a video hosted, say, in your Facebook group, your private Facebook group for members, or in on a page in your church's website that they can go to, that is a fantastic resource. I want to show you guys how easy it is. I want to show you this tool. It's called Loom. Loom is a very easy-to-use browser-based screen capture software. It's really simple to use. Let's go take a look at it real fast. Okay, so if you go to useloom.com, this is a great little extension for Chrome, okay? Very easy to install, very easy. Click where it says Get Loom for free, or click where it says one-click install, and then it's going to have you log in. You want to add the extension? Yes, add the extension, and then you'll log in, and you're all set, okay? It's very easy. Follow the prompts. You can do this, okay? I've got Loom installed right here, and this is just an example of a little how-to that you may need to do. In my case, I'm going to show you guys how to go to the Insider section of Church Training Academy and take a look at a couple of training videos, okay? So depending on how many... I got a lot. Depending on how many extensions you have, you'll find Loom right here up in your extension bar. So if you just click on it, it's going to come up with a couple of options for you. Do you want to record audio? Yes, you can see I can turn on audio on or off. So I do want audio because as I'm doing this, I'm going to have it recording my audio. I can do the full desktop. I can do a certain tab if I want, and I'll choose the tab. In this case, I'm going to do the full desktop, so it's going to do the whole schmear. If you have your camera plugged in, like your webcam, you can use that, or if you want to record just the webcam, you can use that as well. Now, I'm using my cameras to do this video, so they're not available to you. But anyway, we're just going to do screen, we're going to do full desktop, and then I'm going to start recording. And it wants to know which of my screens do I want to do. Do I want to do the one where I've got OBS running, or do I want to do the one over here that has a website open? So I'm going to choose that, and if I want, I can choose a specific application that I want to do, which is really cool. So if I have an app that I want to show you guys, I can actually record just that, right? I could do just the OBS window, or I could do a Finder window, or I could do just the Chrome window. So I'm just going to do entire screen. I've got mine maximized. It's real easy to do. And then I'm just going to hit share screen. Going to do a countdown, and then it's going to begin. All right, guys, once you've logged into the Church Training Academy website, then you can click on Insiders, and that will take you to the member-only section of the website. Now, when you get here, if you have not watched the welcome video, I highly encourage you to do that. So we just click on here, and here is a quick little welcome video for you. Hey, welcome to the Insider's Dashboard. This is going to be your hub, your central point for everything church. Okay, we don't need to watch it right now, so let's collapse it. Now, let's just take a look real quick. Here are the different categories that we have training and stuff for. Let me show you this one really quick. Mastermind Q&A. This is for our mastermind. So I record all the questions asked in our mastermind, and we post them here. So let's just go and take a look at a certain given. Here we go. Should a church use HG or IGTV? Let's click on that. And our video comes up. Hit play. I'm curious, does anybody have any ideas or plans for using IGTV and how you can incorporate it in your ministry? And there's our video. At what levels? And all right, I'll just pause that. This other function. Here we go, video production. You want to watch a course on video production? Let's go in here and let's go to lighting. And here is basics of 3 and 5 point lighting. Here's a great video right here. And we hit play. Okay, in our first module on lighting, we're going to be talking about 3 and 5 point lighting. Okay, now and see, it's really cool. It's full featured. Look at that. Going in there, we're setting up lights, we're practicing, we're doing all that. Anyway, that is how you very easily can get started using the CTA Insider section at churchtrainingacademy.com. And there. Clicking the stop button over here, stopped it, brought it up here. It said, you just recorded your first video. It always tells me that. Anyway, get rid of that. All right, so now I have some options. Here's the video. I can play the video. All right, guys, once you've logged into the Church Training Academy website, then you can click on Insiders, and that will take you to here is a. So we have our video here. Now I can just turn around and share it. I can copy the URL. Right here, this is the link to share the video directly if I want. Now, you could also embed it. So we could embed it into a page on our website if I wanted to share it, like in the private Facebook group for the members of our church, so they could learn how to do whatever I was showing here for this video, like you guys. That's where we do that. We can embed it. You can share it directly to Facebook, Twitter. You can email it, etc., etc. It's really cool. Now, if you need to make a few changes, you can hit the video settings button, and you can come down there and password protect it if you want. You could show analytics to the viewer. You could make it downloadable or not. You can get comment or email notifications when someone comments on it, and you can even turn commenting on or off. It's up to you. It's whatever you want to do. But see, look, now they have the option to download it, or if I wanted to, I could delete it. If I wanted to check how many views there were, it's really cool. It's called Loom. Just go to useloom.com. Loom is awesome. This is something that Justin and I use all the time to do very quick little videos, whether we're sharing it with our community or whether we're sharing it with each other. Sometimes Justin has something that he's done to the website, or I've got something I've done to the website, and hey, where did you put this? How do I do that? How do I do this feature? How do I use this part of our membership software? I can just go in and record a real quick little thing, just showing it to him, send him the link, boom, there you go. You guys can do the exact same thing. Use loom.com. It's free. It's awesome. They're actually working on a desktop app for Windows and Mac, which is really cool. So you can go get on a waiting list for that. Currently, they're not charging anything for this. I assume at some point they're going to have maybe a freemium type service where you can do so many videos, and then you have to either delete them or you have to, upgrade and pay, I don't know, $5 a month or something like that. No telling what they're going to do. But right now, it's free. It's a fantastic tool. It's got a lot of great features. Very easy to use. So, guys, make use of this. Use loom.com.